For this reason, you should drop your limes directly into boiling water before juicing them. We've all tried squeezing a lime as hard as possible, only to feel like there's still a lot of juice trapped inside. Cold limes are firm and tight, which makes extracting every drop frustrating and tiring. No matter how hard you press, a good amount of juice often stays locked inside the fruit. Instead of struggling, you can fix this with a simple trick using boiling water. Carefully drop your whole limes directly into the pot and turn off the stove. Let them sit in the boiling water for about 30 to 60 seconds. This quick burst of heat softens the rind and loosens the internal fibers, making the fruit much easier to squeeze. After that, remove the limes using tongs or a spoon and place them on a towel to dry slightly. While they're still warm, roll each lime firmly on the countertop using the palm of your hand. In my case, I'll do it with one for demonstration purposes. This step helps break down the inside even more and prepares the lime for maximum juice extraction. Now, cut the lime in half and squeeze it as you normally would. You'll immediately notice how easily the juice flows out, giving you a much higher yield with far less effort. This trick is perfect when you need fresh lime juice for cooking, sauces, marinades, desserts, or drinks and want to get every possible drop. Not only does this save time, but it also reduces waste and helps you get more value from each lime. I hope this helps. Save this tip so you never struggle to juice limes again.